You need to be careful about doing background checks on individuals if you're a third party. This is Dave at AFX Search, licensed private investigators. Had a conversation today with a colleague who runs a company out in Iowa where a client of hers wanted to have a background check run on all of her employees. And it was very vague instructions on what kind of background check. As we talked about in other videos, there's dozens of different types of background checks: criminal, civil, combinations, electronic, in-person. There's dozens of different types of checks. They just wanted the background check, and they wanted it at the state, federal, and even local level for that person. What does that really mean? Well, it turns out that the person at the company requesting this didn't even know what kind of check they wanted, and had our client run the check the way that they thought it was described, they actually would have been breaking the law, because there's some laws in their particular state about running background checks on employees for certain types of violations without that employee's authorization. So in this case, the third party was asking for a background check that was actually illegal to run, and the third party really didn't care because it wasn't really their issue. If there was any liability, it wouldn't come back to them. They were just requesting it. It was up to the employer to actually run the check. The ironic part about it was this third party was a government agency that was requesting this, so even they weren't aware that some of the things they were requesting weren't able to be done. If you have questions about how to run a background check or what types of background checks are available, you can reach us at our website at afxsearch.com.